Information System Success Model. Something like e-learning. Let's talk about e-learning. How do we find out the trend of publication of e-learning? Who is the most productive and influential writer of e-learning? What about the most influential articles of e-learning? And the pattern of cooperation between the author and the state. Also, the similarities in research times that flow between researchers of e-learning. My name is Revi Wiranti. I will be answering those 5 questions based on the research that my lecturers and I made. The research is about Information System Success Model, a systematic literature search and bibliometric analysis. Here's the name of people who are contributing in this research. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic that began in March 2020 has a major impact on the use of learning management system. The use of learning management system in Indonesia has been prioritized, since the government has encouraged all institutions and education units to move their learnings from offline classes to online classes. UNESCO has launched the Global Education Coalition to support many countries in improving learning management system. Study literature. E-learning is a learning tool that can offer knowledge with information technology regardless of the time and physical locations of the learner. Based on 46 journals on the success of e-learning systems, e-learning is divided into 3 main areas. The first one is learning models, second one is students, third one is instructors. Methodology. On this research, we use systematic literature review, or we call it SLR. SLR is to summarize and synthesize the literature. We use bibliometric analysis techniques. It's to help understand the intellectual structure, especially to analyze data about e-learning. We also use visualization using Fosweaver tools. It's a software to visualize data maps based on bibliometric networks. It offers the additional functionality of zooming, scrolling, and searching. First, how to identify for finding out the trend of publication in the field of e-learning. Trends describe an increasing concentration of studies in Asia, where it has about 47%, where most of it are developing countries. Those countries are considered as areas for innovative practice about digitalization. From the picture on the left, we can see that China is the most productive country. It has 8 publications. From the picture on the right, we can see that Korea has the highest number of citations. It has 439 citations. Second, how to identify for finding out the description of the most productive and influential writer in the field of study. The author's work is the most productive and influential in e-learning. From the picture, we can see that Zaini Abdullah, Osama Ishak, Ahmad Samit Al-Adwan, Cui Liu, and Si Ju Chen are the most influential researchers with the maximum number of scientific contributions. Third, how to identify for finding out the most influential works or articles in the field of study. From the picture, we can see that Cui Liu's work has the most citation, where it has about 17.714 per year. Fourth, how to identify for finding out the pattern of cooperation between the author and the state. From the picture, we can see that there is a lack of networks between countries of the researchers of e-learning. Researchers from the same geographic jurisdiction have better academic outcomes. Fifth, how to identify for finding out the similarities in research themes that flow between researchers in the field of study. From the picture, we can see that these are the themes that most researchers use, such as e-learning and learning systems. We use keyword analysis to decide the themes of e-learning research. Dillon and MacLeod Information System Success Model is a model that is widely used by researchers. Conclusion. Based on this research, we can conclude that research work from the US is less influential in the terms of citations, even compared to Portugal, Malaysia, Turkey, and the UK. Korea has the highest number of citations even compared to China. Cui Liu, Si Ju Chen, Zaini Abdullah, and Ahmad Samit Al-Adwan are the most influential researchers in this field with the maximum number of scientific contributions. Cui Liu's work is one of the most frequently cited studies and become the foundation of e-learning research. authors and countries are not well connected with each other, so research convergence is still in the developing stage between selected authors and countries. The Dillon and MacLeod Information System Success Model is widely used by researchers of e-learning. That's it from our team. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for your attention.